Welcome to your next cozy retreat. This charming one-bedroom home in the heart of Indianapolis offers modern updates, a prime location, and a warm, inviting feel. Let's take a walk through. Step inside to a bright and welcoming living space. The newly remodeled kitchen is a showstopper, with sleek updates from 2024. It's stylish, functional, and ready for all your cooking adventures. The spacious bedroom offers plenty of natural light and a cozy atmosphere. The bathroom has also been fully updated, featuring modern finishes and a fresh, clean look. Downstairs, the clean and dry basement provides extra space for storage, a home gym, or even an additional lounge area. Plus, it includes a dedicated laundry space for added convenience. An additional flex room gives you options, whether you need a home office, craft space, or reading nook. The screened-in side porch is the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee while soaking in the fresh air. And don't forget the backyard, a great outdoor space with room to unwind or entertain. Located just minutes from Broad Ripple Village and the Monon Trail, this home combines charm, comfort, and convenience. Don't miss out. Schedule a showing today.